What's going on, guys? It's OK and I'm here today with another video. Today is a super quick tutorial video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get any profile at all. Now, you do need either Google or Firefox to do this. If you do not have those, then you are screwed. But I wouldn't understand why you wouldn't. Anyway, so let's go to, let's just go to, you see, like, custom made. Like, there's this person on this server. Let me just get him. Let's do this guy. See this profile. This profile. So, I like this profile. It's a nice profile. I want it as mine. Or I could just like share it with him. But how to get it is that you click it, left click, right click, save as, and then it must go, you must be saving it not through downloads, but you have to be doing it through Google or Firefox. Like I have these two here, and they both come in folders. Yes. And then that downloads. Now don't click that, because that's not what you want. I'm just going to send him something quickly, because I've been meaning to send him this for a while. Okay, now what I can do is that I can go into downloads, and there is a new file with new things. Just look around for it. There it is, right there. It will also take everything on the Discord, so if there's more than one thing that you want, you can also take that. So there's like this. This is all on the Discord. It saves random things that are on Discord, so it's not perfectly clear. Like for instance, in this video, when I was doing that collab with Mr. Pickles, I had to get his YouTube to show up, so I did that, because that's his profile right here. So I'm just gonna take this, and I'm gonna say, nice profile, oh, that's wrong, profile, and upload, and there you go. You can do this with anyone. This helps with pretending to be someone. I don't suggest doing that, because that's not good, but it also helps if you are wanting to draw them, or if you want that profile. You don't have to search all over the internet. You can just do bam, 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 save as, and you're done. So yeah, that's gonna have to wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you did enjoy this super short, very short video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like on today's video and subscribe to the channel to see more quality content like this. Hit the bell, that's when you know when a new video comes out. And this is OK, going away, come back for another day. See ya.